Everyone wants success. Everyone wants results fast. Some wait for the elevator, the shortcut, the easy way up. But what happens when the elevator breaks down, stalls, or never arrives? You wait. You lose momentum. You lose control. The stairs are always there. Slow, demanding, but reliable. And the people who take the stairs, they always reach the top. The elevator promises speed, but shortcuts rarely teach skills. They don't build resilience, discipline, or wisdom. The stairs? Every step strengthens you. Every step teaches patience. Every step builds character. Successful leaders and high performers don't wait for shortcuts. They invest in themselves. They embrace challenges and grow step by step. Climbing the stairs teaches consistency. You can't skip steps without risking a fall. You can't rush without losing balance. In business and life, daily effort and small improvements compound into real success. Shortcuts may seem faster, but only steady progress guarantees growth that lasts. Others may take the elevator and seem ahead. Don't compare. Focus on your steps, your learning, your discipline. The stairs are your journey, your skill-building path. Every step you climb makes you stronger, wiser, and ready for the challenges at the top. So the next time you seek a shortcut, remember, if the elevator is slow, take the stairs. Step by step, effort by effort, growth by growth. Change the lens. Change the outcome.